this night, boy. Football action night at Griga, boy. That's how we do it. Italy, what do you do alongside Tickling, boy? Nice order to the things. Tell you. Sweet, you know, nice and sweet. Alright, so right now, it's a 1-1 ball game in favor of both teams. Wagia 1, Port FC 1. Inside the legendary Colorado Stadium. It's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, we got the young SMC. He's on the mic right now. So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it is a 1-1 ball game, halftime, right here inside. Now they're gonna have some giveaways in a minute, right? So that's why I make you know this is the place to be every Sunday after this. Make a safer win. Make a safer win. Make a haul on my ticket. Make a safer win by. Make a safer win.
Ticket 7, 6, 1, 9, 6, 2.
And it,
Ticket 7, 6, 1, 9, 6, 2.
Bushman, I live, no?
What's up? What's going on? Well, you know, we are here checking out what's the, we're good with the 1-1. You know the thing set. We hope for better in the second half and keep pressing. You know the thing set. We are here. You are here. It's going on. Huh? Yes. I don't know. Do you know? We're going to see your name.
I'm not really happy with you and Baba right now.
Baba, I don't know about the way.
I'm not happy with Baba right now. Well, ladies and gentlemen, second half. When they wait up there, I give them a show them because I know you got people are.
Yeah.
Don't got people up at 48, they got people up at San
You know the thing said, yeah, correct? You know the thing.
We still away for this
From the number?
Never said nothing, though.
No, I didn't say like tomorrow we not got sports show. Tomorrow we have it live tomorrow.
So we're unveil tomorrow.
Just keep pay attention to the games this weekend because questions gonna be popping at you all tomorrow night for sports show from the Loving on the line.
Alright, good. So I'll cut off the live now.
Yes.
Alright. Come on out. For support Wagia, please support Wagia. We're out, right?
1-1 at the moment.
1-1 right now. So I was showing no piece of half time, but right now I'm not showing no card. I just enjoy the game, right? So ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we're unveiling the plumbing loving bitters tomorrow,
Yes,
right?
for sure.
Alright,
Definitely. So I just got in the bottle from the US affair. I just got the bottles in.
You got a trunk head, right?
Yeah, I got the bulletproof.
Trunk head, the trunk.
Yes. Cartridge for your soul. Plumbing loving. I ain't oil lover, but my man to make that.
Alright, cool.